Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can save png file with transparent background in Canva. So I will show you step by step process. So guys, let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here I'm on my Canva. So you can upload your image from here. Go to the upload and just go to the upload. Okay, then you can find your image and upload it. Okay, once you upload, just click on that image. It will be insert on your canvas. Now you can increase the size and decrease the size like this. You can select that corner only, don't resize from here, just resize from this corner and just increase the size. Now if you want to download this file as a png with the transparent background, so you can remove the background first, okay, of the file. Select the image. Here you can use that bg remove. Okay, so this image background will be removed. Okay, now you need to select that. Okay, keep your image at middle. Before that, if this background not white, it's not, there is another color, okay, rather than that white, you need to select that background. Just keep your image at side, select that background, go to the color and just choose that white color only, which is hash fff. Now keep the middle, keep your image and middle and on canvas. Now go to share, download it and select the file as a png. Here the size, you can increase decrease the size. It is increase your quality or decrease your quality like this. So you can keep as a middle or just make the standard size and just down and click on that transparent background options and just download it. Once it download, let me open it. You can see this image now with the transparent background. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.